Matapos ang sunod-sunod na tagumpay sa International Film Festival, kapatid, humandang makikanta dahil mapapanood na sa wakas sa mga sinihan sa buong bansa ang pelikulang Song of the Fireflies. Matatandang nagwagi ito ng Best Picture sa Manila International Film Festival o MIFF sa Hollywood, kung saan ginawaran din si Morissette Amon bilang Best Actress para sa kanyang first major acting role. Kasama rin sa mga pinarangalan sina Rachel Alejandro bilang Best Supporting Actress at Noel Comia Jr. bilang Best Supporting Actor. Pero, tungkol saan nga ba ang Song of the Fireflies?
So our film po, Song of the Fireflies, hindi naman siya musical. It is a film with the music po. And of course, songs written by sila National Artist for Music, Mr. Ryan Queria, Bui Ocampo, Sir Jazz Nicolas, and si Raymond Marasigan. But our film talks about the early years of the Lobok Children's Choir and kung paano po binuo ni Ma'am Alma Taldo, the character that I am portraying, kung paano niya binuo ito, and very uplifting siya. For me, I love how it represents the Filipino spirit na very resilient, and it's nothing complicated. It just talks about someone with very simple dreams and passion for what they love to do and choosing to pursue that po ng buong buo.
Nakasentro ang pelikulang ito sa tunay na buhay ng Lobok Children's Choir, isang world-renowned na grupong Pilipino na nagsilbing inspirasyon sa maraming kabataan sa larangan ng musika. Bukod sa mapapakinggan dito ang likhang awit ng ilang national artists for music gaya nila Ryan Cayabyab, pagbibidahan din ito ng ilang tanyag na mga awit.
Song of the Fireflies po will be out on June 25. Kasama ko po dito si Miss Rachel Alejandro, Noel Comia Jr., Crystal Brimner, ako po, yours truly po, Alex Medina, and many more. This is directed by Direct King Polisok, and of course brought to you by Culture Tain, Musicat Productions, and MQuest Ventures, of course. And yun po, this features also yung mismong mga bata po natin ng Lobok Children's Choir. Kasama sila sa billing po. They're also acting in this film as themselves. So please catch it po, June 25, Song of the Fireflies.
Mapapanood ang Song of the Fireflies sa darating na June 25 sa mga sinihan sa buong bansa. Para sa iba pang balita, patuloy na sumubaybay sa lahat ng social media pages ng News 5.